Morning, everybody. This is South Stream News Weekly here. I found a nice little item here, so be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and check out my newly started playlist. It's always greatly appreciated. I'm not sure what Dozer this is off of. This is only going to be a short clip, but if anybody knows, be sure and let me know in the comment section. This is an old piece. I'm tempted to have it sandblasted and fixed up, hanging on the wall. I've never seen one. You would need to find a couple of lenses for it somewhere. I don't see any markings on it anywhere. But none the same, it's nice. What else is in here? Nothing much. But it looks like it was, it was yellow, dozer yellow. But it looks like it was for a small dozer. Anyway, that's it for now, everybody. Hope you enjoy the video. Have a great day. And I'm sure I will. It's supposed to rain today. I'm going to be stuck inside. So long, guys.